Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am here with a new video. Today I'm going to share a very important topic with you people that let's suppose you have to collect data from different locations like within cities, countries, whatever locations you have. You have given a standard set format to your colleagues, your all co-workers that this is a format having, let's suppose, 50, 20, 10 columns. All columns are same. Everybody has to share their data into that Google Sheet. They just have to input the data into that Google Sheet. Let's suppose you have 100 remote locations and everybody has a different, I am repeating it, different Google Sheet. It means 100 Google Sheets, 1,000 Google Sheets they have with them. Now, you have 100 people. Yeah, this is for security reason. Like you don't want someone else to see someone else data. So everyone, like you have 100 branches. Every branch has to share data with you, but you don't want that data is shared with the second branch. So everyone with the data sets has their own security data sets. So everyone has their own data, but at head office level, you are the one who is going to consolidate those 100 Google Sheets into one Google Sheet because all the columns, data, formats are everything is same. You are just collecting the data. Even like in daily work, we see this. We want to collect data from different locations, and we don't have any expensive system with us that where the data is being getting input and we get that data retrieved from the system. But you just want to collect data in Google Sheets. So you have many sheets and now you are collecting data into one sheet. But how will you do it? The challenge you will face is you will have to download either into hard disk those 100 Google Sheets, one step. Second step, if you don't want to download those 100 sheets, how you will consolidate those 100 sheets data into one Google Sheet, how much time it will take, how you will transform the data, how you will clean the data, how you will develop the system where you can actually automatically get. What we do actually as the users, we will go into a Google Sheet, we'll get it copy pasted, and we'll paste in one our master sheet, Google Sheet. So you will go into 99 Google Sheets, you will copy the data and you will paste it into your own file. So it will take a huge time because it's a very lengthy exercise. It will waste all your time. And what happens is daily data gets updated. Everyone has its own Google Sheet with its rights and they are inputting the data. Let's suppose this is a sales data and daily there is a new sales. Let's say 2 rows, 3 rows, 100 rows. The data is being updated in the Google Sheet and your master consolidated sheet should be actually consolidated on daily basis, and this consolidated sheet we can use for a dashboard, so analytics are automatically developed. This is a process called ETL, extract, transform and load, but this is used for different scenarios. But where I am using today is only a Google Sheet scenario for you people that you can get it done very easily in just one click. You just click a button and data is consolidated and that's done. You have to do nothing. So here we start how you can do it. Okay, let me share my screen. Here you can see my screen. What is important you have to see is, let's see, I have this one Google Sheet. Let's suppose I have shared this with one person. This is called number one HR data automate with Power Query. This is the same file I used in my last video. So I have not changed the name, but I have added a sequence that is one. So I have made 5 files like this: two, this is two, this is three, this is four, and this is five. My assignment is, what assignment is? This sheet one is with the guy at Lahore. This second sheet is with the guy at Karachi. Third sheet is with the guy that is in Australia. Fourth sheet is with the guy that is in America. Fifth sheet is with the guy that is in Belgium. Remote locations. I am just sampling it. Remote locations. But now, what is your assignment? See, all this is standard format. All sheets, sheet one, this has all 38 columns, same name, no change, no spaces, ditto. Second one, same 38 columns, same name, duplicate, nothing changed. Same for this, and for this. So I have made 5 sample files. Now, what is this assignment? I have to, this is a blank sheet. Oh, sorry, let me delete this. Control A. This is a sheet where I have to consolidate that data. What is I am going to do, and normally what we do in head office is this is what I'll do is this is person one. I'll control A, control C. I'll get to this sheet. I'll right click and paste as values. So how much time it will take? See, this is pasted now. But how many rows this has pasted? 1481. Now I'll go to second sheet, I'll copy paste again, I'll third and copy paste again. So I'll keep on repeating this step and I'll consolidate 100 sheets. But when we copy paste, we have normal behavior of having errors. We can do errors, like we can overwrite some rows, we can miss some rows, we can delete some rows, we can skip some rows. So what is the smartest way to consolidate a data from different remote locations without having any expensive ERP system, software, or input system? So I have written a code for you people. You can copy paste. I'll post it with the video as well. You just have to copy paste this code into your Google Sheet, and that's it. What you have to do is you have to go to Google Sheets into this master file where you want to consolidate. You click extensions. There is an app script. You will click here. It will open a window like this. App script, I have written a code, auto consolidate sheets. This has a code. This is a code available for you people. See, this is a code. You just have to do nothing. You just go to app script, copy paste this code there, and what you have to do is this is my target sheet. This is the address of ID address of my Google Sheet where I want to actually consolidate data. This one, C1ANF1Y, C1ANFIYT. This is, I'll copy this from here until this, from this to this. I'll copy this. You will copy this actually for your Google Sheet. You will paste here. This is target sheet ID. Then here I have, this is source sheet IDs, 5 sheets. You will copy paste your source sheets IDs here. You will just copy paste and replace these codes from this to this. You will override this with your own sheets codes, and that's it. You are done with it. Now what you have to do? There is a button called run. Here, see, there is no data in this sheet, but I have to consolidate all the sheets into one sheet so I can make some analysis. I can make dashboard with Looker Studio or whatever I want. I can. So how I do? I'll go here. There is a button run. I'll make it a bit shorter so you can see. I'll run it. It is running. It is working. Done. Execution completed. So what happens? Oh my God. See, all the data. Okay, it has not copied headers because I deleted them. You can keep those headers. Even I can copy those as well. So see, This has copy pasted all the data in one click. In one click. So what you can do is actually, let me repeat for you. It will take a minute more. I'll control A, delete. The data is deleted. I'll copy this because I have added a row. I'll control C. I have copied the headers column. C. I'll paste here. These are my headers. So I'll go there. I'll run this code again. Execution started. This is app scripting for Google Sheet. Similar like we were doing for writing macros. This is a sort of macro. And here we have written a script that we actually write script there in VBA macros. And now things are getting very easy. We are using Power Query to write scripts. And every step is being stored there, saved there, and it is always available for you that you can actually delete that step, reshape that step, reschedule that, whatever. Execution completed. See what happens. Here you go. Headings are there already, and all the data from 5 remote Google Sheets are copy pasted into one Google Sheet, and that is done. Now I'll keep on making videos how to use this data onwards and bit of exercises for you as well. I hope you like this video and this makes your life easy if you use Google Sheets for data collection and then making analysis on these sheets. You don't need to have Excel in this all process. Everything is done with a single click. So I'll be posting this code along with this video so you can copy paste. Thank you so very much. See you again. Let me stop sharing and let me stop recording and let me post this for you people on LinkedIn, on my YouTube channel, on my TikTok channel, on my Facebook as well. So nice of you. Thank you so very much. Bye.